Welcome once again. This is OBAAPA'S recipes. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my fluffy, delicious beetroot rice. This is beetroots and one more that I really want you to try for you and your loved ones. Please take your seat and let's start cooking. Alright friends, so we're going to start by washing our fresh beetroots. So I bought this from my normal grocery shop. Wherever you are, you can get it from any grocery shop as well. Yes, it's very popular right here. So next we're gonna start washing it. This beetroot right here is full of nutrition. Yes, nutrition packed. So today, instead of making that Angwamo recipe, we're gonna add a little twist to it to make it a little bit healthy for us. So next I wash these beetroots really nice and I'm gonna cut it into small sizes. Yes, like I said, if you have not tried this before and this is your first time, I'm going to encourage you to try this recipe because trust me, you will never be disappointed. After we cut everything, we're going to transfer them into a blender and then we're going to blend it. So make sure that you add water as well. So with this recipe, if you're making wache and you don't want to use that wache leaves, or in case you don't have it, you can use beetroot as well. You can use beetroot for all kinds of stuff. You can use it to make juice and all of that because it is so healthy for your health. So after I blend everything, I'm just going to strain that and I'm going to leave it aside. So on this part, I have here one large onion. I'm going to dice it into small sizes. And while I'm doing this, I've already turned my stove into a low medium heat and I just put a little bit of oil in my pot. So it is nice and heated. So I'm going to add my diced onion. I'm going to leave it on to cook for about 2 minutes. Okay. After that, I'm going to add here sardines. That is the trick, of making this and one more taste so delicious. So go ahead and add sardines. But if you are not a big fan of sardines, you can skip this part. Alright, so I'm going to leave it to cook for just a minute. So on this side, I blended red bell pepper, onion, and habanero pepper. Yeah, and I'm going to add that as well. So I didn't use a lot, just a little bit, okay? Since you're making this Angwamo, it has to be really quick and easy for everyone. Alright friends, so I just want to shout out to all my Mandi lovers out there. So I have here about 3 cups of Mandi rice, and that is what I'm going to use to prepare this recipe. As you all know, I love my Mandi rice so much, and I've been using this rice in all my recipes. And also I'm so happy for all your feedback that you really enjoy this rice. The next batch is coming in November through December, so I will keep you posted once the rice is there. Alright, so after we wash our Mandi rice, it looks so nice and clean. Go ahead and add it into the pot. Make sure that you stir it very well. As you can tell right here, this rice is going to taste really nice. I'm telling you friends, you're taking this Angwamo into the next level. Once the rice is all done, you can add your beetroot right here. Like I'm adding, I didn't add all of it. I ended up adding about 3 cups of that, okay? And next I'm going to add some salt in here to taste. And after that, just go ahead and cover it and have it simmer. Missy Angwamo ready, and easy crowd. Obedi be a bit comfort. Because of I used that beetroot also, it came out so single. The rice was so fluffy and kasa. So friends, let's see how it's looking so far. In fact, this rice is looking really nice. So I'm gonna throw few green peas in here. Yes, if you don't have it, that's okay, you can skip it, but green peas is also very good for you. Alright friends, so go ahead and stir and then cover it up and then have it cook. Soon our Angwamo will be ready. Yes, like I told you, we are taking this Angwamo into the next level. This is very quick, nutritious, and so simple that in fact everybody can even make it within the blinking of an eye. Mr. Chele Edwinano has said so. The rice is ready. As you can tell, this came out so fluffy. It looks really delicious, and kasa. In fact, everything looks so inviting. And as you all know, you can just eat with your shito, or even just a regular stew is absolutely fine. And of course, I have here some fried egg on this side. This has completed our mission so far, okay? And I'm so happy the results, how it came out. Friends, this is how I prepare my authentic beetroot Angwamo. And I hope you truly enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Yakobo ensure baby ara.